It's episode 12 of our 3-a-day multiple choice marathon. All right, thank you for, well, kudos on making it so far. All right, so today we'll be doing questions 34 to 36 of the past paper that we started, which is May 2019. All right, so yeah, we are here at episode 12. We are making progress. Guys, let's go. Before we go, don't forget to tune in to our live video on Saturday nights at 7 p.m. By the way, just remember that these 3-a-day multiple choice videos drops at 3 o'clock every Monday to Friday. All right. And we have passed our halfway mark. So yeah, all right, so we're ready now. We go to question 34. All right, and it says the perimeter of a square is 48 centimeters. What is the area in squared centimeters? All right, so we have our square, and we're going to pretend that Miss Gordon is drawing a perfect square here. All right, yep, the perimeter of the square is 48 centimeters. Then we know that the sum of all the sides is 48 centimeters. If we want to find our area, we need to know what the length of one of the sides is. All right, fine. This is a square, so again, we know that all 4 sides have equal length. So if all 4 sides add up to 48 and all 4 sides are equal, then we can say the length is going to be the perimeter being divided by 4. All right, so that's going to be 48 centimeters. Divide that by 4, we get 12 centimeters for each side. All right, so this is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. All right, that's it for each side, which is why our perimeter is 48 centimeters. Did they ask us to find the length of a side? No, they asked for area, but because we would love for the length to help us to find area, we did this. All right, now for the area, we know that's going to be one side multiplied by the other side, which is going to be length times length, or length squared, which is 12 centimeters, and we're squaring that, which means our answer is now 144 squared centimeters. Good, so we are complete. All right, wasn't bad, and we are now moving to question 35. Remember that you can always pause the video, guys, on the right. All right, but I'll be moving on. Number 35, it says, which of the following figures, of course not drawn to scale, has an area that's equal to half of the sum of 5 plus 4 times 2. Now, all of these figures are what we call trapeziums or trapezoids. So, it's going to be half the sum of the 2 parallel sides. I'm just going to call them A and B. Sum of 2 parallel sides like this. Okay. All right. Half the sum of those 2 sides times the height. So basically, we're just being asked to observe the trapeziums and just tell which one of them we could find the area of like this. So if the area is half 5 plus 4 times 2, one, we know that the parallel sides must be 5 and 4. So already we know it's A wrong. Second of all, we know that the height must be 2. First of all, it's wrong because the height we're referring to is the height over here, so the perpendicular height. Definitely not 5 over 2. So our answer would have been clearly B, done. All right, so let that sink in. And we're going to move to question number 36. If at any point, guys, you feel as if you misheard or not sure if you understand something that I said, you can ask for clarification in the comments. And you can also just repeat the last probably 20 seconds or so, and you'll be good to go. All right, number 36. And I love number 36. It comes all the time. All right, so it says the area of a rectangle is 53.6 squared centimeters. All right, so let's draw our rectangle and label length and width, or wherever you want to put those. All right, and the area of the rectangle is, of course, length times width. And they told us that that area is equal to 53.6 square centimeters. So we're going to do this. Length times width is 53.6. It says if the length is multiplied by 4 and the width is halved, the area would then be, and guys, this is not hard at all, trust me. You're just saying that if the length is multiplied by 4, so 4 times the length, sorry, that's not a 4. 4 times the length, it means that, or 4 times the original length, it means that our new length would now be this, and we're still multiplying by W. Fine. How does that affect our answer? It just means that our answer is also going to be multiplied by 4. Simple. But now it says the width is halved. So the original length multiplied by 4 now. The width now, I divide by 2. It is now halved, which means my answer as well is going to be affected. My answer is now going to also be halved, divide by 2. Now, if I multiply by 4 and I divide by 2, then I can also know that my answer is going to be, I can just go ahead and work this out now. 4 times 53.6 and divide that answer by 2. And remember, you don't have a calculator right now, so you are indeed doing all of this just by hand. All right, so you can go ahead and cancel 2 into itself 1, reduce, sorry. 2 into 4 goes 2 times. 2 times 53.6 would have been 107.2. Ta-da, and we're done. All right, and this is the last question for today. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. All right, guys, this was our 12th episode of 3-day multiple choice marathon. And I hope say wanna have been, what you call it now, racing me to the finish line. So once you see the question pop up, you can go ahead and start working and see if you can get there before me, and we can mark your answers. All right, so it's goodbye until tomorrow.